guys are probably aware that Fulcrum are industry leaders in suspension and have been for almost 50 years. And Bendix similarly have been industry leaders in the braking world for over 60 years. And when they partner together, it can only mean one thing: excellent things for you guys, the customers. The Fulcrum are now a preferred Bendix installer. And the best part is our Fulcrum click and fit option is available on all Bendix brake upgrades as well. So you can jump over to the website, choose your suspension, option up the Bendix brake upgrades and get it fitted by one of our approved stores all over the country. Now this Bendix Colorado behind me has already had the Bendix catalogue thrown at it. High carbon front slotted discs, their upgraded pads, braided lines, even the rear's got upgraded drums and upgraded shoes. But it's not here for more brakes today. We're going to be fitting a Formula 4x4 lift kit to get this Colorado behind us ready to tackle anything. So I reckon I'm going to jump out of the way, let the team hook into this one, because it's going to look absolutely sick once we're done. So the guys have just wrapped up installing the front suspension. That Formula shock is looking $1 million on the front of this Colorado. I just thought I'd quickly take this opportunity to show you what the actual Bendix brake upgrade kit comes with and what you guys can choose to get fitted through our Fulcrum click and fit service. So obviously we have this gorgeous high carbon slotted and dimpled rotor, which is going to help get rid of those brake gases and heat that are generated under heavy braking or when the vehicle is loaded up. We've also got the Bendix Ultimate Compound brake pad up here in the front. We've also got a braided brake line too to help stop those rubber lines from swelling under heavy braking, and it looks gangster. And we've also swapped out to the Bendix high temp brake fluid as well to help keep that temperature of the brake fluid at a lower boiling point. So it really is a comprehensive kit and makes a huge difference. Everyday driving, driving while loaded, towing, off-roading, all the scenarios where you want it. Well, the team here at the Fulcrum suspension store have really nailed it. We've gone up exactly 40mm in the front and 40mm in the rear for our hub to guard measurement, which keeps it legal, safe, and I've got to say this car drives fantastically and a whole lot better than when it did standard. And the last piece of the puzzle was obviously an alignment, which we recommend everybody does after they play with their suspension, and the guys set it up perfectly. Fantastic thing is everything you've seen here, from the Formula suspension right through to the Bendix brake upgrade kits, are available to buy and to install through the Fulcrum Suspension's website. So if you want to find out any more about the products you saw today or get them for your own vehicle, head to fulcrumsuspensions.com.au or give us a call on 1-800-FULCRUM.